Hey everyone, last couple of videos I've shared some of my thoughts and experiences with power stations. This is the latest chapter of that. I ended up getting a expansion battery for my Anker Solix C1000. You can see it there in the background. Just simply put, I just wanted the flexibility of being able to expand it and have a little more power on hand in the case of power outage or emergency. So anyway, I guess unboxings are a thing. So that's what we're going to do here. So I've already cut the packing tape. So I'm just going to open this up here. What do we got here? Oh, it's probably... Oh, there we go. Oh, I guess that's just the inner packaging. All right, how are we going to do this? Yeah. All right. All right. There we go. Now we get to the good stuff. All right. So I'll make it pretty for the camera. Put the logo in the right direction there. All right, there we go. There shouldn't be much to it. It should just be the expansion battery and basically the connector cable, and that's what it looks like. Little user guide. All right, so here's the battery and the connector cable. I'll share some thoughts on this a little later. I think they could have designed this a little more elegantly, or they may redesign it. Anyway, but you know, does what it does. All right, put that there. All right. So this is not quite as heavy as the main battery pack. So there it is. So basically, this is designed to go on top of the main pack. It effectively doubles the capacity. I believe the C1000 is technically 1,056 watt hours, or basically give or take around 1 kilowatt hour. This effectively doubles it. It's a little bit smaller than the main pack because this is basically just a battery. The control electronics and everything is in the main pack. So this just kind of adds on to it. From what I've seen on other videos I've seen on this, it really doesn't do anything until you plug it in to the main pack. So I don't know what state of charge this is. I'd imagine it's not fully charged. They probably do that for safety reasons for shipping. So anyway, let's go ahead and plug this in and see what it does. So the charging of the expansion pack is finished. It didn't take very long. It actually shipped with 87% state of charge, which was a little higher than I expected, but that means it only needed to charge for like another 10 minutes to get fully charged. So if you look here on the display, the large number is for the main pack. Here, up, you look real closely, up in the corner is the state of charge of the expansion battery. So that's showing these, both are fully charged. The combined capacity of this is about 2 kilowatt hours. So this is almost the same capacity as the Anker Solix F2000, which is a much larger pack. You might have seen it. It's got a handle and wheels. it's physically much, much larger. I guess the advantage of that is it's all in one. It doesn't require the add-on pack. But I don't know. I kind of like this. I like the flexibility of it, and that you know, you can use this if you want, but if you just want to take this, like if you're going on a camping trip or some other application where or use where you really don't need the expansion pack, you just need the main battery, you can just leave this behind and just take the main pack with you. Anyway, this was on sale. That, like I said, that's the main reason I got it. It was at a pretty good price. So I figured might as well get it now while I still can. One kind of unknown with all power packs is what effects potential China tariffs might have on it. The Trump administration has been threatening tariffs left and right. Just recently on Colombia in exchange for migrant deportation. Anyway, I'm not going to go too deep in the weeds with politics, but yeah, so that's the only kind of unknown factor about these is, you know, with the geopolitics and global trade and the U.S.-China relations, if prices are going to go up. Effectively, almost all of these come from China, even the ones that have patriotic marketing. I'll leave it up to you to put the pieces together and figure out who I'm talking about. They are also made in China. I'm not going to disparage any specific brand, but just do your homework. Like I said, that I did a lot of research before I bought both the main pack and the expansion pack. Anker has a very established, solid name. They stand behind their products. You know, they have a dedicated R&D department where they actually research and develop their own products. They don't just slap their brand on someone else's that I'm aware of. So anyway, also too, in terms of the pricing of power stations, it varies a lot, you know, throughout the year. Around holidays, Prime Day, they'll have deals. So if the particular day you're looking, you think the prices seem kind of high, just keep checking back around holiday shopping seasons, Black Friday, Prime Day, and almost without fail, you'll find these on sale for a pretty good price. So anyway, also too, I think I'd just like to add this. I found out my local power utility actually had a rebate program going on with these, and I was able to get $300 back on my purchase of this. So it is worth looking for. Again, it's not, sometimes they're not very highly publicized. You got to really kind of dig and look for them. I mean, simply put, I just Google, you know, whatever the name of your local power utility company is, battery rebate program. And that's how I found the program. In my case, it was PG&E for this. But it's definitely worth looking at. That ended up paying for most of for probably about 60 or 70% of the cost of the main pack. So that was definitely worth the trouble looking into that and applying for it. So anyway, again, I'm not wishing for calamity or blackouts, but if I do have one, I'm definitely going to put this to work, and I'll give you a full report back and on how it does and what it allows me to do even in adverse circumstances. So anyway, hope you found this informative, and yeah, I'll do another future video and let you know how it goes.